Okay, this is called Jeh in the Jarai language, my native language. I actually do not know where did the Jarai people get Jeh from, or rice wine jars, but I've heard that they got these things either from the Cambodian people, we call them Gor, or from Laos, we call them Lao, and also from Vietnamese. But usually the Jarai people say that the Jeh or rice wine jars that are made by the Gor or Lao have more value than the ones that are made by the Vietnamese. And traditionally, these things have so much value or cultural values. The Jarai people use them either to put water as water container, but mostly they are used to make rice wine. So basically, almost every Jarai house has one of these. And even the way we measure wealth was based on how many of these a family has. And some families have a lot, others have just a few. And they're also different sizes too. I've seen some that are really big, like this big, and they can go as tall as that height. So this one is a small one. As you can see, it's pretty beautiful, the design. Oh, traditionally they have string that they loop around all of these holes, and then they have so many of these jars lined up, and they were full of alcohol. And then the Jarai people have this bamboo tube that they stick inside of this, and then there's a lot of water, basically alcohol, and then each one come and just suck up the alcohol from the bamboo tube. And traditionally the Jarai people can drink a lot of alcohol from this. So that's all I want to talk about this.